On the top right corner, go to Share, Download, and click on Transparent Background. You'll notice that there's a crown right here. So this is for Canva Pro users only. So if you're on the free plan, you would need to upgrade to one of the Pro plans to be able to download this design as a transparent background. When I do download it, this is the result that you're going to get here. So it's just an empty background with my text in front. Now compare this to having a non-transparent background. You can see there's a color behind my text here. So it doesn't really matter which color you choose for your background, as long as you come over to Share and you click on the transparent background, you'll always see just the text and no color behind it. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.